Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Tasting Tuesday. Today I'm going to taste some thing I normally not a big fan of, if you know what I mean. It's I like it on my hamburger, sometimes in a salad or something, but never like really eat it like this. So I've got a bowl in just in case I really dislike what I'm going to taste. And of course, I've got my bottle of Arab to flush it down. I'm talking about, just let me see if there's a regular one. Yeah, I think this is the regular one. It's a pickle in a pouch. So, it is one big pickle in this bag pouch. Well, this is Big Papa, dill flavored. We have garlic flavored. We've got sour flavored and hot flavored. So I'm really curious. But I'll start with the regular one, just the dill flavored. I think that is kind of regular. I did want to try this with my sister, Soraya. If you're watching this, you're really lucky that we did not have time last time. Okay, let's get... Oh my days. That is Big Papa. It sounds horrendous like that. Let's taste it. Nope. I will dislike my own video now. It doesn't taste like pickle anymore. It's just rubbery. Maybe it's already expired. Can it expire with so much sour in it? Nope. If you see it in the store, run. Don't buy it. Or you want to taste it for yourself, but I would not recommend. Next we will get the sour sis. It all sounds disgusting. Next, it's also a big one. What? I'm leaking flavor. I'm leaking juices. Okay, let's try the second one. It's not even a sourness. It's just I'm drooling. It's just a flavor in general that is... Nah. Nah. The first one gets a 2. This one gets a 2 as well. Let's just continue to... Let's continue to Garlic Joe. Garlic Joe. Garlic Joe. This one's a bit smaller. Oh, no, it's the same. It's the same. It's also big. It does smell garlicky bit, but that one was the least horrible so far. But I do have the feeling I'm eating just garlic toast. It's a 3 for me. A 3. Last one. Hot Mama. Let's see what we can make of that. And by the way, I said, thank God I'm Arab. This is not a sponsored video. But Arab, if you see this, I'm happy to take a sponsorship. Hot Mama. It smells horrible, man. It's not even the regular pickles that we have here in the Netherlands. It's way different. Cheers. Nope. That is disgusting. Now the flavor is gone. Okay, that was horrible. Absolutely horrible. Again, all 4 of them get a 2. That will be 8 for 4, but that will be way too much. So the 4 combined get a 5. It is absolutely horrible. I've got a bowl with gross pickles. So yeah, if you want to get rid of someone really quickly when they visit you, buy these and give them to them. They will sure leave because you are a horrible person to give this. That was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short video because it was horrendous. Leave a like if you did like the video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.